So guys, I had a potato planting in a kiddie's pool and I thought nothing much would come of it. So midway I realized that it might be quite a good harvest, so I am just going to show you what we've done. Over there I've already taken out the plant, and this is what we have in the kiddie's pool. So I'm just going to be harvesting them, and let's see how much we get. The amount of potatoes I put in here was 3. There were 3 potatoes. Some of them are still very small, but I made the mistake of putting it in a shady position. So, and then I'm just going to recycle this ground into a bed, that flower bed, well, which is actually an old bath. So this seems to be the sum total of a badly placed kiddie pool. Too much in the shade. There were 3 little store-bought potatoes that had bolted, and this is the result. Thanks for watching.